Richard, I'm one of the lead educators here at Aid Training. Today we're looking at the IV intravenous drip training, which includes phlebotomy. So the cocktail of vitamins, which can include B12, vitamin C, glutathione, amongst others, which is going to help to promote well-being, anti-age, sports and skin brightening. The treatment has a cocktail of vitamins that are administered directly into the vein. We're going to absorb around about 95% of the vitamins, which is going to really help with a number of different treatments. Cost of treatment within the clinic can be up to £350 per session.